Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about the Myx Finance airdrop. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. So Myx Finance is currently doing around 20 million tokens as airdrop. Now this airdrop is mainly for those who do trading on Bitcoin and Ethereum, and also those who can provide liquidity on the Ethereum as well as Bitcoin. So I will exactly show you how you can go ahead and qualify for this airdrop. Now, if you go to DeFi Llama and check Myx Finance, so as you can see, more than 8.22 million is already locked on Myx Finance. So this should be a decent airdrop. I mean, not the biggest one, but still it should be a decent airdrop, at least 3 to 4 figures of airdrop. Now they have officially announced that they would be doing like 20 million tokens of airdrop. So all you have to do is, in order to qualify for the airdrop, you have to go to Myx Finance, which is their official website, and you can join their Discord and Telegram group. And all you have to do is you will need to click on Launch App. Now once you click on Launch App, over here you can actually trade Bitcoin and Ethereum for zero fees, so which is a good thing. Like if you are into trading and if you want to actually go ahead and trade at zero fees, this is the best platform to do it. Now as you can see, they also have the option to take leverage, but please be careful while taking leverage, because you can get wrecked if the position goes wrong, and there is always a chance of getting a margin call while trading. Now I do trade often on various centralized exchange, but not with high leverage. Maximum I take is like around 3x to 5x leverage. So you can go ahead and keep trading over here. So this trading will earn you something called as MLP or gems, and the more gems you earn, the more airdrop you would be getting. Now if we go to their earn section, as you can see, they have this liquidity pool over here. So basically if you like provide BTC to USDC or Ethereum to USDC as liquidity pool over here, then you can get this gems as rewards, and alternatively you can also get the gems from trading. Now if we go over here, they have some event that is going on, which is like Cambrian explosion. So this is like 20 million mixed tokens, and as you can see, even if you hold like MLP to earn gems, it is giving like unlimited rewards as of now, and also earn gems through trading. So it is pretty much a simple platform, and it's supported on the ARP as well as the Linea mainnet. So if you are active on either of this network, you can go ahead and actually trade it. And I mean, there is nothing much you can do over here, because the referral section and the VIP section is going to come soon. So there might be some time for this token to be airdropped in the future. So yeah, if you want to go ahead and farm this airdrop, you can go ahead and farm it. If not, then it's perfectly fine. And none of this is a financial advice. Do your own research. And in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.